Okay, hope you can hear me. This is a compressor. This is our compressor, 16 bar compressor. Just some basic maintenance about water. There is lots of water in the air. If you don't believe me, you can just open your valve and see. So generally, when you finish using the compressor every day or every week, you should drain it. Of course, you switch off first, you drain it. Once you open this valve, you're gonna see actually water come out. It's like every compressor, you can see water come out. This part is commonly everybody know. Then we're gonna see I have another pipe. It's actually all this pipe is here. This is a dryer. The dryer is working by freeze the air to below zero. So it also have a mechanism to constantly blow out the moisture it's frozen, freeze. So if you check here, there is a mechanism with two settings and a button. The two settings, so if you see here, okay. First setting is seconds. This means release the air for half a second, from half to 10. Then another one is minute. It's an interval. It's an interval. Means what's between each blow. And then currently set, you can see it's every half minute. That's 30 seconds. Then it's blow about 2 seconds. Then you can press button here. You can actually press. So, you know, this country, something is good, something is bad. But some areas is more moisture than others. The goal is we do not want to here have water. Okay. So it will blow air, compressed air out, which takes the water is gathered away. So you set it whichever you like, then let it run a little bit. Then you come here, you press the test button, press this test button. You feel it by your hand. You press. Feel it by your hand. You feel it's water or not. If it has water, then you increase the time. You just rotate this. Increase the time, so it can blow out more water, and or reduce the interval. General rule is make it more frequent. Okay. Now it's like earlier when I'm doing this, because earlier we set at 4 6. Then I come check, I feel it's quite dry, so I think it's too much. So I change the 2 now. I will check tomorrow if 2 is good. Basically, if you want to blow more air, then you use more electricity because you have to compress the air back. And if you do less frequently, then you can have water inside the chiller. Eventually, your air quality is going to suffer. It will become wet. Okay. Then, when you do the another ventilation, once every day you finish, you first close the valve, you switch off, you press and hold here, then you're gonna be off. Once it's off, another thing is you can drain it manually. Drain here. There's a valve. This is a valve. You can turn it. Very difficult to turn it, but you can turn it. It's well. Okay, believe me, you can turn it. Then it's bypass this to starting the drain. Basically, you can see it's a 2 ways. So when you maintenance finish the day, you switch on this, so they're starting to drain every water inside the chiller. Then after that, about 5 minutes or a few minutes, then you're starting to open this one. So besides here, water come out, the water from here also come out. That's why you can see here is always like lots of air in the water, or lots of water in the air. Okay, that's about how to maintain this moisture thing. There's no set rule because everywhere is different. Your place may be more dry, then you do not need to more frequently. Or if you live on the seaside, then you probably have lots of Okay, that's basically the maintenance.